it's going to be the regulatory environment, really. I think we're going to sort of see some big changes, and I hope that could be a positive thing. We've seen over the last few years a faster approval of regulatory approvals for certain drugs. We've also seen a sort of fast tracking of orphan drugs and other areas. So I think it could be a positive thing, but at the same time, for those who aren't properly prepared, it could slow things down because of this more extensive regulatory approval process you might have to go through. So.
I think the CMO relationship with pharma companies, they are still at a quite early stage of maturity. I think this has been evolving tremendously, but there's a lot more room for further development. I think everybody's still playing very tactical, playing very much into today's need of my overcapacity or my immediate need from quality perspective. But the future will hold a lot bigger relationships that go more strategic into understand each other, development capabilities, how do we develop products together, how do we access new markets and dominate specific fields all together in partnership. So that's, in my opinion, will be the future of these relationships.
Well, most of the big pharma industry are seeking for partners with specialized capabilities and technologies. What I foresee is that there will be a lot of opportunities in the next 24 months, especially for high potent antibiotic products and antibiotics as well. This is what we see as a growing market in the pharmaceutical industry, which also involves local manufacturing opportunities.
I really think that we will have no changes for the next 12 months. This will take longer and we'll be focused on big data and information. We have a long way to go with information and information exchange, so I can better prepare myself and be better planned, knowing some of the requirements of my CMO. Same happens from his side. If he knows me and knows my needs, through some data interchange, we can grow up together. The extreme situation that people talk a lot about is the Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 means a fully integrated process between the industry. It will be a revolution. Yeah, for sure it will be, but not in the next 12 months or even probably in the next few years. I think it will take a little longer because we don't even manage the full processes within our companies. How can we do that integrating companies, right?
To be honest, I don't think there will be a big change in the next 12 months because our industry is rather slow moving. But what I see, of course, is that also digitization inside our industry is a big topic. You start working with a lot of data analysis within the CMO industry, so you look into more like how can you make this data also accessible to our customers, how can you integrate customers into your systems, how can you work better together, for example, on SharePoints, how can you make transfer projects more easier.
There's this phrase, big data, but what does it mean to the pharmaceutical industry and how do we manage that and use that to our advantage to get some leverage with our competition and with our CMOs?